What do you play?
I play cello.
You do?
My main instrument.
And how old were you when you first took up cello?
I was probably 9 in 4th grade in Greendale. Started in
Greendale.
the Greendale Orchestra program.
Yeah.
So
And do
yeah,
they start them in 4th grade?
we do. We start kids in 4th grade.
You do. And do you bring instruments in and say, what do you think?
Yes, so more recently we've started doing what we call like an instrument exploration night, where kids can come in and they can try whatever size instrument. We always tell them, like if you want to play bass, but you're 3.5 feet tall, like we have a bass for you that you can try. And they get to come in and try the instruments and see a demonstration. And we visit the classes too, but yeah.
And how many of those 4th graders take you up on it, usually?
Usually a lot. There's
lot.
been some years where we got close to all of them. Now, they don't all stick with it, but
Yeah.
there's been years where we usually get pretty close to all of them at least trying it,
Yeah.
which is great because we just want kids to be able to see if it's their thing, right? To find their niche. And for some of them, it's super cool to watch them figure that out, like figure out that this is their thing, that they really love, and they've just found kind of a place where they can express themselves musically.